morning show. Have a blessed day.
And don't you be.
You know that. There's a friend in Jesus. Always wiping tears. Will wipe your tears away. You have a broken heart. And if your heart is broken. Come on, buddy. What you
Have a blessed day.
don't you be afraid. Joy comes in the morning. Trouble never lost always.
Rise on 93.3 of I was here, I have been at that beginning years out here. Beginning of once, I be able to call. Was it was out in 93.3 of Adwuma-Adwuma. And of course, yeah, tonight here was here. You know what? I just said, I did you with the images of the Jenny champion combina water. Over to me from a combina costi. I'm branded for the prophet gentleman. Right, so me tonight say there. You can get the daily dose of motivations, baby. And I'll say AFCON moment. I catch yourself from the first year share AFCON. I say, go see the last day at tournament. We couldn't hear you know. Remember AFCON moments here on the mid morning, running through Adwuma-Adwuma no. You're putting on hold kakra. You put it on hold kakra. The AFCON moment no, bro. Then we go back to our normal segments. I wouldn't be more about 93.3 of a daily dose of motivations in here. We can't put it on hold. Right, so 43 minutes after 10, Adwuma-Adwuma was goes out here. May have been at the 16th January. Facebook near there. You wait me join the show no live. I mean Facebook. We are live on Facebook. I Ahenkan 93.3 915. Wait me send them. For Yanko. Dan Yanko Ponce. And check a sense when come out. Here nail fashion. I send the phone in the new back of Salum the Gambia. Who watch my sending better man quine. And come on Naya. Kate and a Daisy. But comfort me who know watch upon. What is wrong? You know watch upon.
Morning show. Have a blessed day.
No, say I will not pay. Happy birthday and come on. But unfortunately, you are not around today. And Kawa had the anka push any idea the Kennedy and Georgia and Kaube Philippa. But since you are not around, I had you Emmanuel J. Cobina, new guy Aski. We are Juma or Kumasi Draso Wildlife Commission. Happy birthday and come out. Alright, so your daily dose of motivations is happiness on your radio. Yeah, young crash us. Yeah, the bro, she's here. Nah, and then your motivational message, you know, every room. I mean, someone I look up to in this industry. Papa Way Jofi Ochedako KOD. So yesterday he made a post and yes, I want to share with you quite a lengthy message, but I'll take my time and break it down. Now what's here? So post to make he was saying, when you see a jobless man's wife giving, I think message in but this one particular and again he says life is a long journey. Life humbles the proud. Life teaches painful lessons. Think through these. You say the way you treat people around you. Meditate before throwing tantrums and pictures. And picture the journey before you take a step. The arrogant don't last. Payback time is irreversible until you harvest all that you. It's irreversible until you harvest all that you planted. Humility will take you to places your education wants, your beauty, and the natural talent wants. Stay humble. So the latter part of the message is what got me. I mean, sense to be. Or say the arrogant don't last. Payback time is irreversible. Omonkwana kuta certificate webusuenu na so kuta degree or kuta diploma kuta HND engineer omo fa boga enye swan me amadam fu bi ka chere say na me degree holder there me wo fa o class 2 class 1 coder una obetumi for. Hey, I was shocked. I say come na me degree holder no for no school class 1 coder no obetumi for. If you to be not be mommy, I say school e drew. But I am for be adwin say obra wo fa no so abo obra o ye hu esikafo pim ma GHS certificate kro mu nkra bi but wo maya defo omo saya hombrasefo abofra bi nya sika ekwane wa wo 4 years 2 now the zero account over count 20 ewi asese ye nyina yete asese be bia hombrase betim dia kone school ntimi mfa ye nkwa ho aka nipa bia be bre ne ho ase sometimes enya wo certificate bi egura wo be bia wa hombrase betim di wo wura no wo certificate nti kasa brand e bu ade ana wonim se toda ye mbusa se school be na alcohol e toda ye busa se fie be mu na ofu efie be mu na ofu enna ben na tete wo ana eja ben na tete wo ye busa se qualification be na ogura wo e toda obi enu masem we dey wa me fam brother here so recently na intentan kase no so wonim se nkofo bi twa da pa people were throwing tantrums and all of that and bebrena so claimi omo ye school for omo ye say so I had a background conversation as a backstage conversation with someone it's tama me be mu bi no so the person called me wow you know what I'm talking about I like the way you are handling the issue but I think you put a stop to it. No, me I am not handling any issue. I think I want to say what I have to say and I just did. The ability to draw big grammar shouldn't be considered as intelligence. That is what people don't know. Then people think these guys are very intelligent. But in the eyes of others, when you don't manage how you talk, or you don't manage how you carry yourself around, or people being an open because oh, sister, when I say not yet, let me find the video and play. I mean, I find it to be very funny though. But when you
pluck a fruit, wait till it ripe before you eat. Don't eat unripe fruit.